Welcome to Leo 3D Jewelry. Today I'm sharing the 3D design and render method for these pendants. Using the Add a Picture plane. Draw circle 10 millimeters. Criteria for model size. Adjusting the picture size and position. Using the polygon mirror curve. Adjust the curves to make sure they match the picture. We need one more curve. Let's make a copy and shrink it. Adjust the curves again using the polygon mirror curve. These two curves will act as rail curves. We still need a sweep shape. Using the simple curve, dual control points for sharper edges. Can be deleted when the dual control point is not needed. No need to place the sweep shape on the rail curve. Using the dual rail preview, select the rail curve first and then the sweep shape. The effect is wrong. I will try to invert and adjust the position. Don't worry about making mistakes. You can switch over and over again until the effect is correct. Using the extract ISO curve and surface from planar curves. Let's arrange the gems first. Using the gem arrangement by range. I want it to be arranged as a recta. Adjustment range and position. That's not enough room for two gems. Using the gem on object, just add a gem in here. This is better. Using the prong for pave gem. Some of the prongs are in the wrong place. Delete or move them. Hold the Shift key and click to delete. Drag and drop to move. Remove excess prongs based on experience. It's too crowded in here. Retain two prongs sufficient to hold the gems. Using the circle. Circle combines with pipe to get a ring. Next, we need a clasp. We can find it in the database. I chose the first one from Melon Seed Clasp. Adjust the position to ensure that it is movable. Use vertical mirror curve. The chain will be generated based on the curve. I'll make it so it can be longer and extend beyond the scene. Open the grasshopper and adjust the window. Find regular chain from workbox. Adjust length and width. Bake it when you find it's good. Hide pictures and curves. The chain is intersected with a melon clasp. Move it. To make the gem sparkle, using the gem cutter. The cutter should be longer to ensure that it passes through the model. We don't need these numbers if we're going to do a rendering. Hide it. Extending surfaces to become objects. Using the Boolean difference. The light passes through the gems, and the gem shines more. Layers to make it easier to assign materials later. Using the circle up. Using the surface from planar curves to. Extending surfaces to become objects. Tweak the layout. Adjusting the model to fit the laws of physics. Using the bend gumball. Switch to left side adjustment. Use Rotate 2D to make the model drape naturally. Done. We can import to Keyshot for rendering. Use Bridge tool. Send a model to Keyshot. Waiting for model import. Assign the metals first, and I hope they're matte and wire drawing. Selection of metals and gem is required. Turn on GPU mode. The model disappears using retessellate. This value determines the accuracy of the model. The drawing is not good. I will adjust it. Mapping type be UV. Modify the angle value. Make it more visible. This is what I want. I need a highly reflective material to reflect the sky. I'd choose white metal. If you want the sky and clouds, you need outdoor. Add the ground and adjust its material. Type change to paint. Edges are too sharp. Adjustment recommended. Adjusting the radius will look better. Copy the model. I want to add a material type. I've only demonstrated two here. You can add more as required. Adjust the angle and position. Select the desired material. Here I chose the rose gold material. Mapping type be UV. Make it more visible. Adjust the image. Adjust according to the screen, not suitable for fixed values. Don't worry about making a mistake. My values are different every time. Be yourself. Maybe what I like isn't what you want. There's no way to satisfy everyone's favorites. We can only try to satisfy as many as possible. Let the model shine through bloom. When I adjusted my perspective, they shone already beautifully. Add a orbit animation. We can adjust the degree of rotation. This sharing is over. Thank you for watching.